Hey, so just a quick video to talk through how you could set this up. So I see down here in this block right here, I believe, oh no, it's actually in the demos block, that this is the question where you're trying to paste in what the outcome was. So you want to assign which question they're actually going to get the outcome assigned from, and then you need to pipe in the selected choices from that specific question. I understand the issue you're going to run into. You don't know which pipe text to use here. So there's two different ways we can work around this. The first one would be to simply just create 3 different questions and pipe in the selected choices from question 1 here, question 2 here, and question 3 here, and then just apply some display logic to the question and just say if embedded data selected group is equal to 1, then show the one that pipes in the text from question 1, and then just do the same for 2 and 3. The other option is that we can actually ensure that all of this stays within the one question if you'd prefer, and we could do this by setting up more embedded data in your survey flow. So I'm just going to talk through how to do that. If we go up to survey flow, I see here you have set selected, set 1, set 2, set 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a new element right here. And I'm going to use a branch. I'm going to move this up. So now once we've decided which branch they've selected, I actually need to make sure, my apologies, this is moved down below the question that they've answered, that we need the pipe text to come from. So I believe that's in the gain frame coin toss instructions. I'm going to move that down here. I'm going to add a condition and say if embedded data set selected is equal to set 1 to start with, is equal to set 1. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign an embedded data in here for people who say select set 1 to say outcome. And then for the value, this is where I get the piped text from my question. So I'm not 100% sure which question this is coming from. But for example, I'm just going to say this is the question where you asked for the outcome. And I'm just going to say selected answers here. Then I can just go ahead and duplicate this. And then just change out for set 2 and put in the pipe text from the second question in here. Which I'm just going to pretend is this one right here. Oh, maybe not. So selected choices. Just trying to find one that has selected choices here. And then I would just do the exact same for 3. So basically what we're doing is we're deciding up here which question the outcome is going to be based off of. Then on here we're assigning an outcome for each case. And depending on which set they've been assigned up here is the value they're going to get in this outcome embedded data here. So I'm just not going to save that for now. But that's how you would set that up. And then finally, the last step is instead of actually piping in the selected choices here, all you would need to do is pipe in the text from your embedded data field called outcomes that we've just created in your survey flow. And then that will pipe in whatever value they've selected from the question that's been assigned to them. So I hope this answers your question, but if you do have any problems setting this up or any other questions, please just let me know.